Taking you through news coming in on Rahul Gandhi's comments, as there's another comment that he's made that has kicked up a controversy here in India. Rahul Gandhi on that international stage spoke about the quota system in the country, pledging that he will soon end quota, says we'll end reservation when India is fair. BSP Chief Mayawati has slammed Rahul Gandhi on this. She says Rahul is conspiring to end the reservation system altogether. Let's hear it, though, what Rahul Gandhi said on reservation system, on how he wants to end it when the country is a level playing field.
Scrapping reservations when India is a fair place. And India is not a fair place. Now, that creates a problem, because there are many people who come from the upper castes, right, who say, look, what have we done wrong? Right? Why are we being punished? And so then you think about increasing dramatically the supply of some of these things. You think about decentralizing power. You think about involving many more people in the governance of our country. Right? You think of opening up, I mean, frankly, with all due respect, I don't think any of you are ever going to become Adani or Ambani. And there's a reason for that. You can't. Because those doors are closed. So the answer to people in the general caste is you open those doors.
All right, let me take it to Maushmi Singh joining us live for more on that. Maushmi, all the controversy that now revolves around Rahul Gandhi speaking on that international stage. He's spoken on multiple levels of religious freedom. We just heard his latest bite on quota system, where he's categorically said he wants to end reservation system once India comes to a level playing field. When we are fair in the country, then we would want to end reservation. He says that explicitly. Tell us more around the controversy this has created.
So clearly, it's Rahul Gandhi who has demanded a caste census in terms of jiski jitni abadi utni hissedari. This is what he had actually raked up right during the Karnataka elections, if you remember, and he harped on it, and it snowballed into a huge election issue with connecting it with saving the constitution. And also the Congress alleged that the BJP wanted to do away with reservation. Now when he says that, the BJP has slammed Rahul Gandhi, saying this, and in fact Mayawati has slammed Rahul Gandhi, saying that this is his hypocrisy. On the other hand, the Congress is saying there's nothing wrong in what Rahul Gandhi is saying, because he is actually meaning that after all the discrimination and division and, the hierarchy system of the caste is disseminated or eliminated, then will be the time to reconsider whether we want to do away with reservation, but not before that. So in fact, the Congress is saying that here Rahul Gandhi is consolidating on what he has always said, that the underprivileged and the backward and the most backward caste, they need their due, not only in government jobs but also in the private sector.
All right. Maushmi, stay with us. We have Brijlal, BJP MP, joining us on the phone line for more on that. Brijlalji, we are looking at Rahul Gandhi's comment on ending reservation once India comes to a level playing field. How would you react to that?
राजीव गांधी जी के दिल की बात जुबान पर आ ही गई। कांग्रेस हमेशा दलित ओबीसी के विरोधी रही है। 1961 में पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने सभी मुख्यमंत्रियों को पत्र लिखा था कि उन्हें दलितों का रिजर्वेशन पसंद नहीं है। कांग्रेस ने काका कालेकर कमीशन, मंडल कमीशन, जितने कमीशन बने, इनका पालन नहीं किया। और जब बीपी सिंह गवर्नमेंट आई तो बीजेपी के सहयोग से मंडल कमीशन लागू हुआ। मोदी जी ने ओबीसी कमीशन को संवैधानिक दर्जा दिया। तो राहुल गांधी ने ये जो कहा है, इनकी दिल की बात वापस आ गई। 1981 में इंदिरा गांधी ने अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी एक्ट को बदल करके दलितों को, ओबीसी को आरक्षण से वंचित किया था। तो ये इनकी जब आएंगे तो आरक्षण छीन लेंगे, दलितों के हकों को खत्म कर देंगे, ओबीसी को तो इन्होंने आरक्षण दिया नहीं, तो ये जो है उनकी बात आ गई, तो कम से कम इस देश को सबको मालूम हो गया कांग्रेस को और राहुल गांधी जी की क्या नीति है।
जी, जो ब्रिजलाल जी, जो इतना सारा राहुल गांधी ने कहा है बीजेपी और आरएसएस के बारे में कि वो औरतों के पक्ष में नहीं है, उनको किचन में रखेंगे, उनको बाहर आने नहीं देंगे, इसका क्या जवाब दोगे आप?
ऐसा है, राहुल गांधी को कम से कम तथ्यों पर ध्यान देना चाहिए। मोदी सरकार ने 2024 में जो पहला बिल पास किया, नारी शक्ति संशोधन अधिनियम, जिसमें 35% आरक्षण महिलाओं को दिया है। बीजेपी हमेशा महिलाओं के साथ, वंचितों के साथ खड़ी है। मोदी जी ने कहा उनके लिए केवल 4 जातियां हैं, महिला, गरीब, किसान, जवान। तो जहां बीजेपी सरकार महिलाओं को आरक्षण दे रही है, उनको 35% विधानसभाओं में ला रही है, उनको लोकसभा राज्यसभा में ला रही है, वहां राहुल गांधी का यह बयान, ये इनकी खुद की अंदर की तालिबानी सोच है, जहां पर महिलाओं को तवज्जो नहीं दिया जाता। इनके इस बयान की मैं निंदा करता हूं। ये केवल क्या बयान देते हैं इसके बारे में सोचते नहीं कि मोदी सरकार हमेशा दलितों के, महिलाओं के और महिलाओं के तमाम योजनाएं जो हैं, तो महिलाओं के पक्ष में, चाहे मकान देना हो, शौचालय देना हो, 80 करोड़ से ऊपर राशन देना हो, ड्रोन दीदी का हो, करोड़पति दीदी बनाना हो, ये सब महिलाओं के लिए है और ये मोदी सरकार